Golf Charlie Bravo was actually going to take off at Delta, but I copy you and we'll vacate at Delta.
November Delta, just some traffic information. This is 172, just to the northwest of the field at 1,000 feet.
Traffic information, Delta, November Delta. Golf Charlie Bravo vacated at Delta.
Good Charlie Bravo, thanks for the Delta, thanks for your help. Break cruise down 3150, runway 05, schedule land service in 020 degrees 7 knots.
Cancel on the Delta, 810.
November Delta, Charlie.
Left door, Charlie, control,